Ever wish you can get your toilet clean with just a quick step or two? No endless scrubbing? I'm putting DrBeckMann Power Foam Toilet Cleaner to the test to see if it can take on the tough stains and get my toilet sparkling with minimal effort. So here we got the DrBeckMann Power Foaming Toilet Cleaner. So what's in the box? Now the cleaner comes with a total of 3 packets of sachets. Now each one is for a single use, which keeps things simple. You just pour, let it foam up and flush. Now the instructions on the packaging are a bit vague, so I'm going to walk you through the best way to use this product for the best results. Now first things first, flush the toilet to make sure the bowl is wet. Now this is going to help the foam spread evenly and work better. Next we're going to add 1 mug of warm water before adding in the powder, as this will help increase the activity of the foam. Now we can open out one of the packets and pour the powder right into the toilet bowl. Now we let the foam take over. Now almost instantly you can see the foaming action start. Now this thick foam works on stains in and around the toilet bowl, all without the scrubbing. Now once we see the foaming has stopped increasing, we're now going to let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes and we're going to give it time to work on the stains. Now for those tough stains, you may want to use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl lightly after the foam has had time to sit. Then give it a flush to rinse away any foam and dissolve the residue. Now here you can see after a few more flushes, you can see the real difference. The yellow stain is gone and the bowl looks sparkling clean. However, I didn't get much of that promising scent of lemon. Is DrBeckMann Power Foaming Toilet Cleaner worth it? Yes, I say it is. It's great for an easy clean without the scrubbing. It does a nice job. All you have to do is just pour it in, let it foam up and flush your toilet. Now, if you're looking for a fuss-free cleaner, this might be the one to try. And for more bathroom cleaning tips from the HomeKeeping channel, check out the next 2 videos coming up.